Hello, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Azure Chronicles. We are continuing our Linux tutorials, yes? So today we will talk about tar command. The tar command in Linux, which stands for tape archive, is widely used utility for combining, extracting, and handling archive files. It enables user to package multiple files and folders into one archive while keeping the original directory layout and file permission intact. The command also supports archive compression through tools such as gzip, zip, bzip2, and gzip. So let's create simple tar archive. First, let's create some file, for example, touch test. Okay, let's create directory, mkdir test directory. Let's go inside test directory. We will work here. Let's create some file with touch command. Touch test txt. Okay, create simple tar archive. Tar minus cvf. C for create new archive. We enable verbose mode, displaying the files being processed. And F defines the name of archive file to create. Test txt. Here we need to specify the archive file name. Create file.tar. Enter ls, and we see now we have tar archive file. How we can extracting file from archive? We can extract using tar minus xvf and our file name. But first, delete test txt. Now tar ls tar minus xvf file tar ls, and we see our extracted file. So x mean extract file from archive. How we can create gzip compressed tar archive file? We can do it using -z option. ls, well, first remove our file tar, clear the screen, ls, and using -z option allows the tar command to compress the archive using gzip tool. gzip2 tar minus czvf file tar.gz extension for gzip command, and our file name test.txt. This command create compressed archive file, archive name file.tar.gz. That includes this file. Enter ls, and we see our gzip archive file. How we can extract our gzip compressed tar archive? We can use with -x option, extract. Let's first remove test file and do extract ls, and we see our text.txt file. Next one, we can create bzip2 compressed tar archive. bzip2. How we can do that? ls, let's remove again file tar.gz. We can do that by executing this command -a create vf, and we should specify file tar.gz and extension tbs. Enter. Why? Sorry, seems I made some typo here. bz. No. What this mean? This mean bin bash bzip2 not found. Child return status 127. Error is not recoverable existing now. Seems this error means that bzip2 is not installed on our system. So we can install gzip2 by executing this command. So tar should be used gzip2 utility to compress that file. I think the error means that. So let's. Okay, it's work. tar.bs and tar.tbs. Now, how we can extract these? We can extract by executing x. So seems some error. Let's first remove this one. Let's execute maybe this tbs y ls. Sorry, yes, I made some mistake because I mentioned create and extract option simultaneously. So we need to delete C and add G. Yes. Enter. Let's do it again. Let's do it with BC maybe. Sorry, I shouldn't specify this. Okay, now it's work. Yes, we see test.txt file. Okay. X mean extract. We display the detailed output during extraction. V means verbose. J means decompress the archive using bzip2 tool. F specify file. C creates file. And X extract. So that's all for this lesson. See you in the next one.